Welcome back. State Committee of All India Lawyers Union has demanded a welfare scheme for lawyers. Union in its memorandum submitted to Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar has demanded a stipend for junior lawyers and a pension scheme for retired lawyers. The union also has demanded suitable maternity benefits for lady lawyers.
Goa State Committee of All India Lawyers Union has stated that the lawyer as a class have no security of service. Hence, union has demanded many welfare schemes for advocates. Union in its memorandum submitted to Chief Minister Parrikar has presented demands like pension scheme for retired lawyers, stipend for junior lawyers and interest-free loan for junior lawyers. Union has also demanded to reserve 2 seats in the Bar Council of Maharashtra and Goa for the Goan advocates.
2 seats may be reserved in a Bar Council of Maharashtra and Goa for the state of Goa, because we have a Bar Council that is for 2 states. But there is no compulsory or this reservation for lawyers from Goa. We have got the thousands of lawyers in Goa, but without any representation. And then the lawyers of Goa has to compete along with the vast legal fraternity of Maharashtra and all that. So proper representation on Bar Council is equally important.
Secretary of State Committee Advocate Harsha Naik said female advocates are facing tough time in the profession. She demanded suitable maternity benefits for lady lawyers.
You know, when we are entering this profession, by the time we are getting married, and once we are expecting, we are having the children, not a single day what we are being exempted from appearance in the courts. And it's a very sorry state of affairs, because we are the ones who are trying to help and support the entire, what you can say, the society and the people who requires the justice. And if those ladies are not being given any protection, what I mean to say, the protection in the sense, not only the security and the safety as far as the lady lawyers are concerned, but why not the maternity benefits?
Reporter Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
We salute our army heroes on Kargil Vijay Diwas. Naib Subedar Azad Singh bicycled 103 kilometers with a 1-liter water bottle balanced on his head. This effort of Azad Singh is an effort towards achieving success and a place in Limca Book of Records. The ride commenced at Headquarters 2 Signal Training Center. What could be a best day for this attempt than on Kargil Vijay Diwas? Take a look.
प्रैक्टिस सर सुबह 4 बजे करता था, आज करीब मेरे को 2-2.5 साल से 3 साल से ऊपर हो गया। सुबह 4 बजे उठ के मैं 8-9 घंटे चलता था, लेकिन आज थोड़ा मसल्स पुल हो गया क्योंकि चढ़ाई अप डाउन की वजह से थोड़ा वो हुआ, और मैंने प्रैक्टिस भी खूब दिल लगा के किया, तब ये काम हुआ सर।
तो कितना रिकॉर्ड था?
सर रिकॉर्ड पहले कोई नहीं है, न्यू रिकॉर्ड है सर ये 103 किलोमीटर सर।
तो आपका नाम पे?
जी सर, जी सर।
तो आपको कैसा फील हो रहा है?
मेरे को सर बहुत बढ़िया लग रहा है, और मेरे साथ में जो जितने मेरे आदमी ये मेरे साथ में जितने हैं उनसे को देख के बहुत खुश हूँ सर।
कर रहा था रिकॉर्ड, कैसा है, क्या हर्डल्स आए आपको बीच में?
सर हर्डल्स तो बहुत आए सर, जैसे ऑब्स्टिकल बहुत आते हैं क्योंकि रास्ता बहुत बिजी है, ट्रैफिक इतना है, ट्रैफिक में ऊपर नीचे आना जाना बहुत प्रॉब्लम आती है, बारिश का प्रॉब्लम है, बारिश में भी मैंने प्रैक्टिस किया सर।
Prakash Nanjappa clinched a silver medal in shooting at the Glasgow Commonwealth Games on Saturday. This medal takes India's silver count up to 5, but with 3 gold medals to their name, India remained in the 5th position. It was an Australian who claimed the gold medal and pushed Prakash to the 2nd position. Australia and England are locked with 12 gold medals each at the top of the medals tally. Canada have meanwhile dominated the rhythmic gymnastics event, claiming all their 7 gold medals so far.
Gold, a solid 10. What's Nanjappa going to do?
10.9!
Wow, fabulous stuff. Just when he needed it. We shall see. Let's concentrate on this now, though. We need Galt to do something spectacular here, and Nanjappa to do the opposite if he's to progress, but the Indian looking very assured. 10.3 from Galt. Yep, it's a good one. What can Nanjappa do? 10.7. Oh, he's back down. 10.5 from Nanjappa.
He needs more than a 9.4.
Yep. 10.4.
World class rhythmic gymnastics.
Well, the
show must go on was the track, and she's put on a show here, that's for sure. Patricia Bezubenko, originally from Vancouver.
Gymnasts are allowed one piece of music with lyrics, but most opting for classical music for ball. Such delicate handling.
And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.